Well, welcome to the week 8 lecture. Let's look to see where we are. Well, we're at week 8 now. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks left in the semester. Okay? And then you have your finals week. So that's where we are. Well, week 8, template, summary, and drafting. So what are we doing? Well, let's go to week 8. And for this week, I provided you the template so you can begin drafting your project too. You must use the template. Here is the template. And it will open for you, and then wherever you want to save it. And there's a naming convention. So it would be Johnson, Francis, Project 2. If I was doing this, and you'd save it. And this is what you have. You have the memo. I went over this before. In week 8 videos, I've gone over it in the instructions. You just fill in to, from, date, re what's the subject. And where all this is, you just put what you're talking about it. And then you must insert a page break to get from your document, your memo, to the other memo on your Driscoll reflection. The introduction, what, so what, now what, conclusion. Okay, that takes care of the memo part. Okay, and for this week, the readings are going to be on summarize, because you're going to be asked to summarize information that the AI gives you. Okay, and here's links to it in summary. And this is what a summary is. How should you organize introducing a summary? Okay, it just talks about how to write a summary. You don't need to read synthesis because we're not synthesizing any information in this class. That would come up if we did in my 1302 classes. Okay, so it's a short lecture. You're working with the template, you're reading, and you're summarizing. And so what are you going to do? You're going to download the template. You're going to save it on your computer, then complete the header information. When you have completed the section for our weekly discussion post, you're going to complete a section that requires you to summarize something. There are different sections in there that say, okay, summarize this information. You're going to summarize that information. You're going to copy it. You're going to paste it in the discussion post. And your response to students, you're going to be giving feedback on that. No, copying and pasting the header section is not going to work. You have to actually paste something that you've summarized. So that's what it is. We're going to be doing a lot of writing and drafting and working and writing and drafting for the last 7 weeks of the semester, because that's what we have to do. Okay, we'll have a nice week. I hope in week 8 we have some cooler temperatures and maybe get some rain. And it's getting closer and closer to Halloween, so have fun on the campus. If you have any questions, again, just send me an email or put them in the extra credit discussion post. Bye.